Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to do a little tutorial on a charging system, how to diagnose whether it's a bad alternator or maybe a bad wire somewhere, which this one turned out to be a bad wire. You'll notice it says 12.5 volts. It's a brand new battery. I always recommend checking it right at the battery source because the gauges, especially on boats, don't always work right. So what you want to see is that thing jump up to about 13.5 volts. You got about 12.5. Start the engine, and well, this thing's a piece of. I have to disconnect this one and reconnect it, and it don't work. There it goes, 13.4. Well, it's nice because this one actually looks pretty good on the voltage. They actually kind of go up and down a little bit. So that tells you your alternator is working properly. Because if it ain't, you're going to have a bad day at the lake.